Hello, good morning. It's Tuesday the 23rd. I'm FX Plu and this is the market brief. So we're expecting a couple of lockdown announcements today which should help put the UK back on the path to normality. Social distancing will get 50% off, paving the way for the hospitality sector to reopen. A pint and a 1 metre gap of personal space. It's the stuff dreams are made of. But the 50% off summer sale doesn't stop there. Rishi Sunak is expected to announce a VAT cut from 20% to 10% on several products. That'll be nice. Brexit is bumbling along in the background. Macron has followed Ursula von der Leyen in expressing optimism about a deal that will allow trade to work as seamlessly as possible. You may remember that Spain was once the strongest critic of Brexit, but they've already opened their borders to UK tourists, and many EU members are coming to terms with the UK departure and recognising the need for the two sides to remain as cordial as possible as that DEC 31st deadline approaches. In the market, it looks like the new trading range for sterling dollar is between 123.50 and 125. Yesterday we closed around 124.65. So here's a fun fact from the US. A recent survey reported that 85% of Democrats describe economic activity as poor. Meanwhile, 65% of Republicans consider conditions to be good. Now, far be it from me to cast aspersions, but if you're delusional enough to think that Trump is fit for purpose, are you likely to have a strong grip on fundamental economics? I'll leave that one hanging. Meanwhile, fears of a second spike were supported when both Florida and South Carolina, who were among the first states to reduce lockdown restrictions, both registered record numbers of new infections. But the market is looking ahead to non-farm Thursday next week. Following last month's stellar recovery, there is fear of a significant adjustment to the May figures, as June may show job losses once again. There's all to play for in the sweepstake then. Over in the Eurozone, Ursula von der Leyen held a virtual talk with Chinese President Xi yesterday. There's been suggestion that this may signal a new external focus for the EU, because despite external trade volume dwarfing trade between members, it has struggled to forge strong international ties. But let's not get ahead of ourselves though. This is the EU and things do take time. They take a lot of time. Output from manufacturing and the service sector, they're both expected to rise today, and although the market is still waiting for news about the rescue fund, euro-dollar reacted to a weakening dollar yesterday and we touched a high of 112.70. So that's it from me. I've got a half day today. Actually, I'm going to go out and enjoy the sun, get a little wakeboarding in down at Hayling Island. So I hope you have a suitably fantastic afternoon as well, and we'll be back again tomorrow. All the best.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FX Blue.